Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm getting ready for a dance, so I'm just going to be doing my makeup. It's a chit chat get ready with me, so I'm just going to be talking with you guys. Yeah, let's do it. I'm starting out with this Revlon Color Stay concealer. I'm not doing foundation because I just don't usually do that unless it's for like a show or something. The first thing I want to talk about is driving. I've not actually driven like at all this week, but before that I would have been able to start driving like actual places that we are going, and so that's been great, like, you know, driving my mom to like run errands or something. So that's been great because I wanted to do that for a long time. I was like, when am I ever gonna be able to like drive to, you know, real places or whatever? So been doing that. I've been driving on like a little more, you know, busy roads, you know, with intersections and stoplights and stuff. I just really need to like get it down in my brain how a four-way stop works, because I don't really know how to do that like super well. I'm insecure in my four-way stop abilities, so I need to get that down, but it's been going great. Also, the school year is coming up. I am excited, not for school, but like for all the other things I have going on. It's gonna be like a great school year. Like I literally, like August, there's a couple weeks that I just don't really have anything, and then I feel like all of a sudden it's gonna hit and I'm just gonna like, there's this 1 week where everything's just gonna happen. So that's great. I do a lot of theater, so I'm gonna be doing quite a bit of theater this school year, which I am so jazzed about because I love theater. It's amazing. It's so fun. I'm also going to be doing dance, so that's great. Like I told you guys about in the summer, I'm going to be starting actual classes. Oh, I wanted to talk to you guys about camp, the summer camp that I went to. It was literally so fun. It was a worship camp. It was the first year that I had gone, and I really didn't want to go at first because, like, you guys know I have all these like food sensitivities, and so I was like, I can't do this because I'd have to, like, you know, they like serve food in the cafeteria every day, so like how am I gonna do that whenever I have all these food sensitivities? But then they said like you can bring all your own food, so that's what I did. I brought all my meals for 8 days. It was a lot, but it was definitely worth it because like I would do that every single year just to be able to go to camp. As I said, it's a worship camp, and you have like, there's like teams for the actual camp. There's like orange team and the red team and the blue team and the green team. I was on the orange team. We got second. We should have got first, but it's fine. But then you also have like your worship teams where you're like, I was a singer. I could have been a worship leader, which is where you play an instrument and you sing. But it's just like really stressful, and they use the Nashville number system. If any of you guys know what the Nashville number system is, I did not whenever I was there, and so I was like absolutely flabbergasted whenever they were like, okay, let's do like the 1 and the 6 and the 5 and the 4 and the 2 and like all that. I was like, no, like I just could not process it. But now I know it, so that's good, like for next year or whatever. And then you also have like your groups that are like your small groups. You have like your leader, and it can vary from like 5 to like 10 people, I think. I just have to say, the Lord was moving. It was amazing. Every day we had our worship set for 1 hour, and then we would go to a seminar for the next hour, and then we would go watch another worship team for the last hour. I'm using this like powder foundation thing to like even everything out. So next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just use this shade right here because I don't have an actual eyebrow thing. Also, with the school year coming up, I wanted to talk about like how to stay connected to God like when you're super busy, because I'm probably gonna be really busy. I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna be really busy. I would say like sometimes when I'm really busy, I will try to get up super early to be able to read the Bible, but sometimes you have stuff like that goes pretty late in the night and you're not able to wake up super early. So even just like, I'll just listen to worship music while I get ready, or I'll listen to like a sermon while I get ready, which that's obviously not the exact same, but it still like fills me up and I'm like focusing on the Lord in that time. Also, get yourself like some devotionals. I have one in here that's by Lisa Turkhurst, doing something like that every night even. Like that's what I usually do. That also is really good. Also just like talking to God throughout your day, because I used to never do that because I was like, that's so, like, how do you even do that? But then I started doing it. Like the other day I was actually putting the flowers on my walls. I was like, maybe I should listen to, like, you know, music or a podcast or something. And I was like, no, none of that. Like, you know, when you're just like not in the mood for any of that. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna like talk to the Lord. And so then I did, and I was just like talking to him, just like, yo, what's up? And like, I mean, not really like that, but you can do that if you want to. Just talking to him, saying like, this is how I feel today, even if it's good or bad. It doesn't always have to be a super emotional encounter. So next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I have this palette called Sunny Vibes. It's from TJ Maxx. I got it for, my sister got it for me for my birthday, but like, look at all these pretty colors. They're so shimmery. We love. Then I have this one, which I actually don't know where this is from. It was also my sister's, but she didn't want it, so I took it. Like, look at this. I always use sparkles. Like, I pretty much always use that one. We're probably gonna go with like a neutral pinky thing. Also, you guys, I wanted to let you guys know I do have an Etsy shop, Brush and Gather on Etsy. I'm pretty sure it's all one word. We have stickers. We have little like hanging rainbow things for your car, if you guys have seen those, or not for your car, they can be for your wall too. I have little, actually they're not little, they're average size wood plaque painting things with like a Bible verse on it, or like a quote, or not even any words, just like a painting thing. And we have like a cactus sticker. It's real cute. I also want to talk about confidence and like how you can stay confident, how I am confident. I'm definitely not the most confident person that I know. So for confidence, what I just in like whenever I mess up like in dance or something, if it was just like not a great day, because returning to dance is a lot harder than I thought it would be if I'm just like feeling really behind or like I'm not getting it. I was like getting really frustrated, and then I was like, you know what, you're allowed to make mistakes, obviously. That's kind of what like class and learning is for. And so I just had to like remind myself of that, and I was like, you know what, this is, number one, it's classes where you learn. Number two, I do this because I love it. Why else would I be doing it? I was so excited to like come back to dance. So why else would I be doing it if it wasn't because I loved it? And so I was thinking, like, I do this because I love it, not because I'm perfect at it, but because it's fun for me, and because I want to get better at it, and I will get better at it. And so now I'm not stressing about it because I know I'm going to get better. I mean, pretty much all my confidence is from God and like knowing who I am in Christ, but also like surrounding yourself with people that you can be pretty much totally yourself with, I think is, you know, really important. And if you're not able to like find friends like that, at least right now, it's really just like asking the Lord to show you how he sees you. I also still have to do my hair, so I'm kind of scared that I'm not gonna have enough time, but it's gonna be okay. Oh, college plans, I forgot about that. I wanted to talk about that. What the Lord has revealed to me. At first I was like, I'm gonna go to Tennessee because there's a church there called The Belonging, and they have, like, I really love watching them online because I really like their church. I really wanted to go visit it and stuff, and I was like, I don't know, you know, if this is actually what the Lord's calling me to, but I do believe that he's calling me to, like, be a worship leader. It's like, I really want to go to school for that, but, like, I know it's, you know, kind of hard to make that your career unless you're gonna be a literal, like, songwriter. They had, like, a practicum that was for worship leading and, like, songwriting and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, that's definitely an option. And then I went to camp, and the church that put on the camp that I went to, they also have like a university that they have like a media school, a ministry school, and the worship school. And my sister is actually doing the ministry school, but I was like, well, maybe that's an option. And so whenever we were there, they were like, hey, if any of you campers want to know more about our university, we're having this lunch that you guys can come to. We're just gonna give you more information about that and like talk to you guys and stuff. Then I did go because I was like, it's an option, you know, I just want to know more about it. And then literally that same day I felt the Lord be like, I want you to go here. And so the place that I want to go that I intend to go. IHOP-U, the International House of Prayer University. I'm so excited to go down there. It's gonna be great. Like, I just want to do camp every day, and that's probably what the school will be like. Anywho, I finished my eyeshadow. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it that well, but here, let me show you the colors I did. So I did kind of like, I just wanted like a light pink thing, so I did that, and then I put this kind of in my crease. I just had to like pick whatever would show up. I'm gonna use my mascara, and then I have my lips, and then I will be done. I want to talk about how to like stay healthy and, you know, active, especially whenever you're really busy. First of all, if you're like in a sport, that obviously helps a lot. If you're doing, you know, volleyball or whatever you're doing, like I'm doing dance, which is only twice a week, but it still like helps you get some movement in. What I've been doing lately is Pilates. Actually, I've been doing that like my entire life. But even just like my camera just cut off, and I don't know where it cut off. Talking about how to stay active and healthy. As far as like being healthy, girl, I don't have a ton of advice because my parents, like, they've become incredibly like healthy, and a while ago, like quite a few years ago, we just started buying every single thing organic. Like, we literally, every piece of food in our house is organic, I bet. So that also helps in general of like making sure the things that are going in your body are not like trash. I've started incorporating more fruits and vegetables into my life. Like, you know, my banana pancakes that I make all the time. I love those, and they taste so good, and you can like incorporate literally a whole banana into that. And then I'll sometimes have like little sugar snap peas for like a snack or something, or what else was it? I don't remember. But like, you know, protein smoothies or whatever. Also, like, there's foods out there that taste like other food, but like they're so good. So like Lara bars, they're made with really healthy ingredients and not very many ingredients. They taste so good. Also, truly just like intuitive eating, obviously not listening to everything your body wants, because then it's just gonna say like, I want more sugar or whatever. But eating what feels good and what makes you feel good. Like for me, there are things that I know don't make me feel very good, and that a lot of times it's like dairy or something, or I don't know, different things. You know, listening to your body. Of course, whenever we eat healthier and we honor our bodies, we're gonna feel better. And also, like, a verse in the Bible that really helps me is the one that says, "Do you not know that your bodies are a temple of the Holy Spirit whom you have from God? You are not your own, for you're bought with a price, therefore glorify God in your body." And that really helps me think of, no, we're not just being healthy so we can look better or be stronger or something, but we're also doing it so that we can honor God in our bodies, because that's literally a command in the Bible. So it is really hard because it's not the same for anybody. Like, everybody's body is different. But that's just my little bit of advice. We're all on our own little journeys. So I'm gonna, I didn't show you what mascara I used. I have Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift right here. Well, that's what I used. Now I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss. I love this stuff. Got it for my birthday. I'm gonna put on a little bit of like a chapstick deal before, so that your lips don't get crusty, because that would always happen to me, and that's like gross. I always get black stuff under my eyes for my mascara, and people are like, oh, you need to get this different mascara, and then it still does it. So if you have any, I was about to put mascara on my lips. If you have any tips for me, please let me know. I'm gonna put this on real quick. Should we add some sparkles today? I can't decide. I think we'll add like, no, I'm not gonna do any sparkles today. I usually do sparkles, but not today. Anyway, this is the completed look. This is like a lot going on here. I'm gonna like, you know, dab it so it's not so wet here in a second. I need to do my hair and then change, and then we'll be good to go. I hope this video was entertaining. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please leave any video suggestions you have down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!